top 5 fall lipsticks for the year 2022. These are literally my go-to. The first one that we're gonna try on is the NARS Power Matte No Angel. This is the newest one and I have a complete review of that if you want to check that out. But this is the first nude shade. This is described as a soft brown pink. Just look at that. This is so gorgeous. My eyes doesn't match. I think I'm gonna dip into my Viseart just to match it a little bit, and it looks like this color would match. Place that on the crease right here. Okay, much better. This is so pretty. It always puts me in a fall vibe here. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of that Ofra lipstick in the shade Miami Fever. I hope NARS keeps this shade forever. Number 2 for the nude style fall lipstick. This is the KVD Beauty in the shade Moonflower. This shade is described as Terracotta Rose. And if you're familiar with her old formula, this is the Lolita 2. Okay, this shade compared to the No Angel, you can tell that this one has a pinky hue in it. It's not as a warm tone as the other one. Well, it is still warm, but it has a actual pink in it. I really love this shade. I think it matches with this eye look too. This is just an all-around great shade. Number 3, this is Armani Beauty Lip Power Lipstick in the shade 204, which is a deep neutral brown. Obviously, we are already moving to the darker territory here. This is definitely not a matte lipstick. This feels very hydrating on the lips, but that also comes with a caveat, it will transfer. But I just love this shade because it's like a cool tone brown with a little bit of berry. Doesn't it look like there's like a tinge of berry in there. Number 4 is the Urban Decay Vice Lip Balm in the shade One Strangers. This is described as an espresso brown. This is so deep, you guys. Comparing it to the Armani Beauty, this definitely has some sort of a red in there somewhere. This is so dark, super vampy, and this is what you would call straight up fall lip. This lipstick lasts forever and your lips will never look dry. It will never look cracky and liney. I actually did a wear test with my lip through the day. It's one of my shorts videos and I usually do those so you guys can see how the lipstick wears without watching like a 10-minute video. Number 5 is the Too Faced Melted Liquid Lipstick in the shade Bittersweet. That completes the top 5 fall lipsticks. If I have to choose one nude and one dark, I would say NARS and Too Faced wins the battle. This color is just so unique and it feels so good on the lips. And this one is just my type of vampy red lip. If you guys have not tried Too Faced, this lasts forever, and this is matte. And I know a lot of people love matte, especially because if you're eating a lot and going out and about, this will not budge. This is so amazing. All right, it's your turn. Let's talk. Have you ever tried any of the lipsticks I tried on today? Which is your favorite nude and which is your favorite dark lip? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And if you're looking for more videos to watch on my channel, check out this video right here. This is actually the best glossy lips in my opinion. We've got our lipstick here today, and this is the gloss. I will see you there, and don't forget, have a beautiful and a wonderful day.